Wow, welcome. It's an exciting day. I get to show you the new Sagola Smart Repair gun kit. Let me take you through what's in this kit. It is a smart repair kit. It's designed for small to medium area repairs, you know, nice precision sort of work. You could do, if you wanted to, you could do 2 or 3 panels with it, but it is a smart repair kit. So what comes in? Let's work our way around. You've got 2 PPS adapters for their paint system. You've also got 2 paint pots. You've got a large and a small. Now, I would probably be, if this was me, I would be keeping the small for my base coat only, and I would use the larger one for clear coats. I just like to try and keep the 2 products separate. Each cup comes with a little filtration system in there, so it's going to filter your paint. Nice, reusable, you know, wash it out, you can reuse it. You've then got on the top, you've got some lubricant grease. This is for when you clean down your gun. It's obviously gun safe, no silicone, well worth using this. I use a product very similar to it, but I will now be using this, and it just helps maintain the longevity of your guns. Coming over to the top, you have one of my favorite adapters, regulators in the market. And the reason for that, it's just so quick and easy to fit them to your guns. And that's it, you're off. And you know, when you're stripping your guns down and maintaining them and looking after them, it's much easier just to do like that. Saves you time, time is money. So there we go, we get 2 of those. What I also like that they've thought about on this is they've added the airline adapters onto each one of those. So you don't have to go and buy any of those. That's good. Right, we're coming to the guns in a moment. Be patient. At the top we have a mini HVLP air cap. This will work across the board. You can use this on water base, primers, high solid clears, whatever you want to use it for, it'll do that trick. You then come down to something that's a little different, and I've not yet had the opportunity to try myself. It's their Mini Tech nozzle system. And this will give you, for fine sort of precision work, a bit like an airbrush really, but using your spray gun instead. So I do look forward to trying that out. You've then got a 1.2 setup for the guns. These guns actually come as a 1 mil, so they're both 1 mils, but you can change it to a 1.2, which is, I'll come to that in a moment. Let's come to that. You've got 2 needles. You've got a cleaning brush, trusty spanner to take it all apart, to give it a good clean. This little gadget is for when you maintain it, for when you're stripping it down. It helps to get some of the sections out, but I'm just going to use it here to just get this little identification ring out. So it comes with 3 identification rings, yellow, red and blue. I've not used the yellow. I've put the blue, which you can see here, and the red already on my gun. So I put the blue on my base coat gun. The reason for that is it just coincidentally goes with the blue cap, which is the Mini Aqua. So this is the cap that I actually use on my previous Mini Xtreme all the time. Really like the way this performs. Working with water base is perfect. So this is a 1 mil setup. You've then got your EPA cap. Again, this is a 1 mil setup, so you can clear coat with a 1 mil if you want, but I'm going to swap that for the 1.2 because from my experience, I feel it flows better with the clear coat. Just works much nicer. The guns themselves, you've got your airflow into the gun that you can adjust. Obviously, you can also adjust that on the regulator. And you have your fluid adjuster. I normally like to work, especially my base coat, normally sort of 2.5, 3 fluid turns out and full fan. And that's your fan on the top there. So there we go. That is the new Sagola Mini Xtreme Smart Repair Kit.